Welcome to this talk on embedding mathematics in Xfig. In this tutorial, I shall explain how this figure. Observe the mathematical expression in the second block. You can embed any mathematical expression after learning this tutorial. We shall create the figure in the previous slide starting from this figure, which was created in the spoken tutorial on feedback diagrams through Xfig. You should learn this tutorial before starting the current one. Let me now explain what all you need to learn the material taught in this course. I am using Xfig version 3.2, patch level 5. You also need Latex and a familiarity with it. You also need image cropping software. PDF crop works on Linux and Mac OS X. We will cover it in this tutorial. Briss is set to work on Windows also, but not covered in this tutorial. Let us go to Xfig. Let us choose the file, then open. If you scroll through the list, we will see the file feedback.fig created in the spoken tutorial on feedback diagrams through Xfig. Let us click it. We will see the figure inside this box. Let us open it. Let us bring it inside. Let us also zoom it. Using the Save As option on File, we will save this figure as maths. Let us save it. We now have the file maths.fig. Let us select Edit and click the text blank. Let me take the mouse here. Let me delete this and enter g of z equals frac z over z minus 1. Make sure that the mouse stays within the box while typing. The default value for flag is normal. Change it to special. Click Done. As the text is long, it overlaps with other entries. Let us move the text outside the box and work with it. Let me click it here. Let me choose grid mode. Once we are satisfied with any changes that we want here, we can put it back inside the box. Let us save this file. Let us export using combined PDF and LaTeX files. File, export, combined PDF, LaTeX. Let us export. There is an error message that I get, but let's not worry about this. Let me go to the terminal. Let me type ls minus lrt. We get a list of files, with the last one being the most recent. The last two files are maths.pdf_t and maths.pdf. Let us give the command open maths.pdf. Let's bring it inside. We can see the block diagram without the mathematical expression. Let me close this. Let us see maths.pdf_t in Emacs editor that I have already opened. here. Let me open it. Please note that you do not have to use Emacs. You can use whatever editor you are comfortable with. You can see that the picture environment is used. It also makes use of include graphics and color packages. We need to tell Latex to take care of this requirement. Let me now open the file mathsbp.tex. I have already created for this tutorial. I have used article class. I have used color and graphics X packages as these are used in the file pdf_t, the one we saw earlier. I want empty page style as I do not want the page number. Finally, I want to include the file maths.pdf_t. Let us invoke the command pdf latex maths-bp in the terminal. We get the message that maths-bp.pdf is created. Let us open it with the command open maths-bp.pdf. We have the file we want. Let me zoom it a little bit. Now that we know that the mathematical expression is working, let us move the text inside the block. Move. Click. Save. Export. It's already in the required language. Export. Let's dismiss this warning. Let me compile it again. Let us click the PDF browser that has the file. Now you see the mathematical expression inside the box the way we want. Let us now see what happens if we do not choose the special flag. Let me come here. Let me edit the text. We change the special flag to normal. Done. Let me file, save. Let me export. Let me compile. Let me come here. The formula is no longer in the form we want. Let us change the special flag back to special. Save. Export. Recompile. You see that the file is in the form we want. Let us now improve the appearance of this formula. In this case, the use of dfrac will make the fraction look better. In view of this, let us change frac to dfrac. Let me click here. Keep the mouse inside the box. Put D here. Done. Save. Export. Export. Let us compile once again using PDF LaTeX. we get the error message, undefined control sequence, defrag. Then LaTeX complains because the command defrag is defined in the package AMSmath, but we have not included it. We need to include it in the file mathsbp.tech. Let's do it. Let's go to Emacs. Use package AMSmath. Let us save the file. Let us compile once again. Let me first exit. Let me now recompile. Now it compiles. Let us click this. We see that the fraction has now come out nicely. We have now achieved our objective of learning how to embed mathematical expressions in Xfig. It is important to note that Xfig does not interpret the LaTeX commands at all. The interpretation is done by the PDF LaTeX command. The LaTeX commands have to be correct and consistent at the time of compilation. We will now explain how to remove the white space around the figure. Let me go to the terminal. Let me type PDF crop mathsbp.pdf. This is the file that we created into mathsout.pdf. PDF crop says one page written on this file. PDF crop takes an input file, trims the space around the figure, and writes out the cropped file in the output file. PDF crop is already installed in my system. If you do not have it, you need to install it first. Let us view this output file by the command open mathsout.pdf. Let me bring it inside. The figure has now become extremely compact. The white space that was here has been completely removed. We can now insert this into documents. Let me close this. Let me close this also. Let me close this also. Let me come back to the slide. The software Briss can also be used to crop the white space. It is supposed to work on Linux, Mac OS X, and also on Windows. I have checked its working on Mac OS X, but we will not demonstrate it here. We have now come to the end of this tutorial. We have an assignment for you. Make the diagram created in this tutorial more symmetric and beautiful. Try out different mathematical expressions. Try out other options such as flip and rotate, not covered in the spoken tutorial. Try to build different diagrams. Explore the library. Do an internet search and locate information relevant to Xfig. Useful learning material is available at spokentutorial.org. It's here. The concept of spoken tutorials is explained in What is a Spoken Tutorial? You may learn LaTeX using the spoken tutorials available here, which I have downloaded in this tab. The tutorial on mathematical typesetting explains how to create maths in LaTeX. The tutorial on tables and figures explains how to place figures of the type created in this tutorial into documents. This website has a lot of information, including Xfig tutorials. Let me come back to the slides. Spoken Tutorial is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project, supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. We welcome your participation and also feedback. This is Kannan Moudgalya signing off. Thanks for joining.
Welcome to the spoken tutorial on LaTeX on Windows using TeXworks. In this tutorial, we will learn to download and install MikTeX, write basic LaTeX documents using TeXworks, configure MikTeX to download missing packages. To record this tutorial, I am using Windows 7 operating system and MikTeX 2.9. Let us now see the salient features of TeXworks. It is platform independent. It has an embedded PDF reader. It supports Indian language typesetting. Before we start with TeXworks, we have to install MikTeX. MikTeX is an up-to-date implementation of TeX or LaTeX and related programs for Windows. It contains the necessary packages to create basic documents in LaTeX on Windows. Moreover, TeXworks is a default editor available with MikTeX installation. Go to the website www.miktex.org. Click on the download link for recommended MikTeX installer. This will download the MikTeX installer. Download and save it on your desktop. It is a large file, about 154 megabytes, hence it will take some time to download. I have already downloaded this file. Here it is. Double-click on this file to start the installation. Check the checkbox and click on Next. Choose all default options. The installation will take around 5 to 10 minutes. I have already installed MikTeX on my computer. Hence, I will not proceed with the installation. After successfully installing MikTeX on your computer, let us see how to use the TeXworks editor which comes with MikTeX. Click on the Windows Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on MikTeX 2.9. Click on TeXworks. TeXworks editor will open. Let me open an already existing LaTeX document. I will click on File, then click on Open and choose the directory. Then I will open the file hello.tex. You can see that the text written in this file is colored. This is called syntax highlighting. It helps the user differentiate between the user content and the LaTeX syntax. In case the LaTeX syntax is not highlighted, do the following. In the TeXworks window, click on Format button available on the menu bar. Select Syntax Coloring and then click on LaTeX. If you want TeXworks to apply syntax highlighting every time you create a LaTeX document, do the following. On the menu bar, click on Edit, then click on Preferences. In the Editor tab, click on the drop-down button which gives options for syntax coloring. Choose LaTeX and then click on OK. In this way, syntax highlighting will be applied to all documents created in the future. Now we are ready to compile our LaTeX document. Press Ctrl and T keys together to start the compilation. Once the document is compiled without errors, the resulting PDF will be opened. Note that this PDF reader comes along with TeXworks. It is the default PDF reader used by TeXworks to display the compiled PDF document. We have completed the basic installation of LaTeX. This is sufficient for many formatting requirements. You may now leave this tutorial. Practice the remaining LaTeX tutorials on the playlist. While practicing other tutorials, you may get the following error message. The required file ABC, it is a part of the following package XYZ. Here ABC is a file